Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding sample paper for MPS, that is Master of Public Health Entrance Exam. This is very useful for various university and institutes Master of Public Health Entrance Exam like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CUET PG, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Puducherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, Jawaharlal Nehru University Delhi, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, ICMR, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and all other university and institute which conduct MPH entrance exam, and students who are preparing for Master of Public Health, that is MPH entrance exam. And for this, if they want to join online or offline coaching and wants important question PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. In previous videos, we have covered question number 1 to 10. In this video, I am going to start from question number 11. That video link you will get at the last of the video. Question number 11 is how many vertebrates are fused to form coccus? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Correct answer is option C 4. 4 vertebrae are fused to form coccus. Its explanation is the coccus is made up of 4 fused vertebral bones. These are caused because of the formation of the vertebra through fusion of the intercalated disc and the spinal vertebral bone numbering C7 to 11. These bones help to maintain your posture when standing and sitting. This allows for your back to feel less pressure and alleviates the pain of long sitting or standing situations such as speaking in a large public event. Question number 12 is who is the chief technical advisor to the government on all matters relating to medical case and public health at the center? Option A Health Secretary, option B Health Minister, option C Director of Health Services, option D Director General of Health Services. Correct answer is option D Director General of Health Services. Here question is who is the Chief Technical Advisor to the government on all matters relating to medical case and public health at the center? Correct answer is Director General of Health Services. Its explanation is the Director General of Health Services is a repository of technical knowledge concerning public health, medical education and health care. It is an attached organization of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The Director General of Health Services is headed by Director General of Health Services DGSS, an officer of Central Health Services who renders technical advice on all medical and public health matters to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Question number 13 is the state of being diseased or unhealthy within a population means. Option A mortality, option B morbidity, option C fertility, option D none of these. Correct answer is option B morbidity. The state of being diseased or unhealthy within the population means. Correct answer is morbidity. Its explanation is morbidity is the state of being symptomatic or unhealthy for a disease or condition. It is usually represented or estimated using prevalence or incidence. Prevalence describes the proportion of the population with a given symptom or quality. Next question is the narrow space of uterus between the cavity and cervix which forms the lower uterine segment during pregnancy is. Option A neck of uterus, B corpus of uterus, C cornua, D isthmus. Correct answer is option D isthmus. The narrow space of uterus between the cavity and cervix which form the lower uterine segment during pregnancy is. Correct answer is isthmus. Next question is 15. Health paradox refers to. Option A high income with high human development, option B low income with high human development, option C low mortality and with high morbidity. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, low mortality with high morbidity. So health paradox refers to low mortality with high morbidity. Its explanation is the male-female health survival paradox, also known as the morbidity mortality paradox or gender paradox, is the phenomenon in which women experience more medical conditions and disability during their lives, but they unexpectedly live longer than men. This paradox, where women experience greater morbidity but lower mortality in comparison to men, is unusual since it is expected that experiencing disease increases the likelihood of death. Next question 16. Anti-D vaccines given at which weeks of gestation? Option A 24 weeks, B 30 weeks, C 36 weeks, D 28 weeks. Correct answer is option D 28 weeks. Anti-D vaccines given at 28 weeks of gestation. Its explanation is anti-D or RHO vaccination is prescribed by the doctor during pregnancy. If a pregnant woman has a rhesus negative blood group or rhesus factor, the chances of rhesus factor occurs when there is a disparity between the mother and the father blood group. If the mother has negative rhesus factor and the father is positive and the child is positive, then the first pregnancy is not affected but the second pregnancy will be affected. Since the child's blood group cannot be determined before the birth, so the pregnant woman will be administered an anti-D injection. All pregnant women are administered anti-D injection if they are Rh negative and if their husbands have Rh positive blood group. Next question 17. NRHM stands for option A National Rural Health Mission, option B National Remote Health Mission, option C National and Regional Health Management, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A National Rural Health Mission. NRHM stands for National Rural Health Mission. Its explanation is the National Rural Health Association. NRHA is a national non-profit membership organization with more than 21,000 members. The association's mission is to provide leadership on rural health issues through advocacy, communications, education and research. NRHA membership consists of a diverse collection of individuals and organizations, all of whom share the common bond of an interest in rural health. Question number 18. Golden color amniotic fluid is an indication of option A fetal distress, option B obstructive labor, option C Rh incompatibility, option D large baby. Correct answer is option C Rh incompatibility. Golden color amniotic fluid is an indication of, correct answer is Rh incompatibility. Its explanation is when a woman and her unborn baby carry different rhesus Rh protein factor, their condition is called Rh incompatibility. It occurs when a woman is Rh negative and her baby is Rh positive. The Rh factor is a specific protein found on the surface of your red blood cells. Like your blood type, you inherit your Rh factor type from your parents. Most people are Rh positive, but a small percentage of people are Rh negative. This means they lack the Rh protein. Question number 19. The number of live births per thousand of population per year means option A birth rate, option B IMR, option C death rate, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A birth rate. The number of live births per thousand of population per year means, correct answer is birth rate. Its explanation is the birth rate for a given period is the total number of live human births per thousand population divided by the length of the period in years. The number of live births is normally taken from a universal registration system for births. Population counts from a census and estimations through specialized demographic techniques. Question number 20. All of the following conditions may cause cord prolapse except one. Option A multiparity Option B, engagement of head. Option C, breech presentation. Option D, polyhydramnios. Option D, polyhydramnios. Correct answer is option B, engagement of head. Its explanation is cord prolapse is an obstetric emergency as the umbilical cord will develop vasospasm and fetal hypoxia will occur. If left untreated, vaginal examination allows for confirmation of the diagnosis as well as elevation of the fetal presenting part, preventing pressure on the umbilical cord. Next question 21. Which of the following store data temporarily and pass it on as directed by the control unit? Option A, address. B, register. C, number. D, memory. Correct answer is option B, register. So register store data temporarily and pass it on as directed by the control unit. Its explanation is register as a type of computer memory used to quickly accept, store and transfer data and instructions that are being used immediately by the CPU. The registers used by the CPU are often termed as processor registers. Next question 22. The performance of a hard drive or other storage device, meaning how long it takes to locate a file, is called option A, response time. Option B, access time. Option C, quick time. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is access time. The performance of a hard drive or other storage device, meaning how long it takes to locate a file, is called. Correct answer is access time. Its explanation is access time is the total time it takes a computer to request data and then that request to be met. A good analogy is the time between you ordering a pizza and it being delivered. Access time pertains to devices such as memory, hard drive, CD-ROM or other mechanism. Computer access time is commonly measured in nanoseconds or milliseconds, and the lower the time, the better or faster the computer should perform. Question number 23. VRAM is used for access of the following. Option A, video and graphics. Option B, text and images. Option C, programs. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is video and graphics. VRAM is used for access. Correct answer is video and graphics. Its explanation is VRAM stands for video random access memory and is pronounced VRAM. System RAM is great for loading and running programs, but when you need graphics power, VRAM is where it is at. This is the memory used to store image data that the computer displays. It acts as a buffer between the CPU and the video card. Correct answer. Question number 24. Which among the following is the most common source of viruses to the hard disk of your computer? Option A, incoming email. Option B, outgoing email. Option C, CD-ROMs. Option D, websites. Correct answer is incoming email. So from the options given below, incoming email is the most common source of viruses to hard disk of your computer. Its explanation is another common way scammers may attempt to get a virus onto your computer is by sending it to you in an email attachment. The most common format here involves creating an email subject line that seems very important and is meant to draw your attention, tricking you into opening it before you realize that it is not safe. While many modern email clients will do a decent job filtering out these sorts of emails into your spam folder, there still may be some that sneak through. You should never open an email, and especially an email attachment, if you don't recognize and trust the source. Question 25. What kind of information each of the electric circuits represents? Option A, arithmetic. Option B, tertiary. Option C, binary. Option D, quaternary. Correct answer is option C, binary. Binary kind of information each of the electric circuits represents. Its explanation is computers don't understand words of numbers the way humans do. Modern software allows the end user to ignore this but at the lowest levels of your computer, everything is represented by a binary electrical signal that registers in one of two states, on or off. To make sense of complicated data, your computer has to encode it in binary. Binary is a base 2 number system. Base 2 means there are only two digits, 1 and 0, which correspond to the on and off states your computer can understand. Next question 26. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the given word. Atheist. Option A, rationalist. Option B, theologist. Option C, believer. Option C, ritualist. Correct answer is believer. So antonym of atheist is believer. So meaning of atheist in Hindi is Nastik, and its antonym is believer, that is Astik. Next question 27. Choose the word similar in meaning. Industrious. Industrious means in Hindi parishrami. So option A is successful, B sensible, C punctual, D option 4 diligent. Correct answer is diligent. So the similar word with industrious is diligent. Diligent means also parishrami in Hindi. Next question. Choose the following into correct speech by choosing correct alternative. So here sentence is, our teacher said to us, sugar dissolved in water. Here we need to change the following into indirect speech. So correct answer for our teacher said to us, sugar dissolved in water, it's indirect speech we need to tell. Option 1, our teacher told us that sugar dissolved in water. Option 2, our teacher told us that sugar has dissolved in water. Option 3, our teacher said to us that sugar dissolved in water. Option 4, our teacher told us that sugar dissolved in water. Correct answer is option 4. Our teacher told us that sugar dissolved in water. So sentence is, our teacher said to us sugar dissolved in water. Correct indirect speech for this sentence is, our teacher told us that sugar dissolved in water. Next question 29. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. She has been living dash this city dash 10 years. Option 1 4 2, option 2nd in 4, option 3rd 2 4, option 4 on 2. Correct answer is option 2nd in 4. So here correct sentence is, she has been living in this city for 10 years. Question number 30. Select the antonym of the underlined word. This frivolous remark provoked no comments. Option 1 serious, option 2nd frantic, option 3rd momentous, option 4 fanciful. Correct answer is option 1 serious. So frivolous means murkhatapurn in Hindi. So its antonym is serious. In this video I have given information regarding important multiple choice questions for preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health, that is MPH, for various university and institutes like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CUET, PG, PGI MER, Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Puducherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, ICMR, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health entrance exam, and the students who are preparing for various university and institutes Master of Public Health, that is MPH entrance exam. And for this, if they want to join online or offline coaching and wants important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information regarding various jobs and admissions, and you can get important questions PDF notes, important questions videos. Thanks for watching this video.